Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like The Podcast, a show that gives you a weekly lowdown on Mumbai's food, culture, and new openings in the city.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode, the Eliminator episode. नहीं, Eliminator episode बोलना ठीक नहीं है. The Eliminator match.
Eliminator match.
Yeah,
क्या बोल रहा है यार?
Yeah, TFG Fantasy Pandit are here.
Yes.
I'm in the studio. So after a long break, I'm coming back to the studio. Vivek is here with me.
I shouldn't say, you shouldn't say Vivek is here. I should say Nikhil is here with me because people are expecting you. कल सृजल आया था. It was a very cold response. किसी ने कुछ comment भी नहीं किया. तो ऐसा मत करो यार, उसको भी अच्छा लगेगा. एक दो comment डाल दो. So Nikhil is back. So we hope to see many comments in our section today.
Yes. Okay. Yesterday's match. Qualifier one, very disappointing. Being a Mumbai Indian fan, it was not expected कि Mumbai 168 ना score करे.
Honestly बात बताता हूँ, when the match started, when Pune were 15 for 2 or something, I knew, even before the toss, I knew MI is going to win. And when they won the toss, when Rohit said we are going to bowl first, मैं तो बोला पुणे का डब्बा गुल्ली हो गया. And then 15 for 2 में बोला अभी बचा ही नहीं है कुछ भी, because they had lost Tripathi, who gave them those rollicking starts. And then Steven Smith, can you imagine? So मैंने बोला, the way Dhoni has been batting, there is no Stokes. How much are Pune going to get? 120, 130, 150 maximum. And 150 at Wankhede with Mumbai's batting lineup should be chutki bajane ka kaam. Yeah. But like we previewed the event, stranger things have happened in the IPL. Underdogs have beaten the overwhelming favourites. It was very disappointing, not from a fan perspective, but from a tournament perspective. You expect high standards from Mumbai Indians, and they have been very consistent. For a reason, they were in the playoffs. Pune, yes, Pune have suddenly got this juggernaut rolling now. Yeah. They have so much momentum. With or without Stokes, they are winning. There are 2 captains on the field. One is operating from behind the wickets. One is from deep mid-on or long off. So there is fantastic coordination in the Pune team. See, you can talk about all these things when a team wins, okay? Yeah. When a team doesn't win, हमने RCB और DD को कितना गाली दिया. Yeah. वो सब करता है. But coming back to the match, when I saw Dhoni hitting Bumrah, a flat 6, man. It was a cover drive 6, and what a shot. What bat speed, man. And 2 straight hits, over the side screen. Wow, it reminded of the old Dhoni Dhamaka. Beautiful. And that was the launching pad Pune needed. Despite that, 155 was not a big score. 152 was not a big score. Parthiv Patel and Simmons, the way they started, 39, 43 for no loss, I remember. Yeah. The way they were batting, suddenly one bizarre run out, Shardul Thakur getting Lendl Simmons. And then the strategy to bowl Washington Sundar. I remember discussing in the office, I said Washington Sundar should not be opening the bowling against Pune. I don't
know.
Against Mumbai. Against Mumbai, yes. And Steven Smith agreed, and not that apna podcast suna usne, but that was a very good move. Funny the way the wicket behaved, the ball was stopping, Rohit was given LBW for the shot he played and for the appeal of MS Dhoni. Otherwise usko not out deta tha. Yeah. The appeal was so convinced, itna conviction tha usme, and he was given out. Pollard got out to a horrible shot. I think the timing was also right because Steven Smith came in, he was approaching Kieron Pollard, the ball didn't dip. So these things happen. But again, when it got to the climax, I felt so sleepy and I was almost gone, and I was just waiting कि कुछ हो जाए last में. The moment Krunal Pandya बोला अभी तो खत्म ही है, and then it was like one after the other. It was an embarrassing defeat to say the least, and big surprise कि Pune of all teams जिसका हमने इतना मजाक उड़ा दिया, चेदे उन्नत का तो मेरे पे हंसता होगा अभी. तो
he should do a podcast on you.
He should do a podcast on me. Now you have all the right, my friend. As they say, karma. And Sakshi Dhoni was right when she tweeted, every day you're not in the same position. आज तुम हंसोगे, कल लोग तुम पे हंसेंगे. Exactly वही हुआ है. So I take. अभी मैं कुछ ले नहीं सकता वापस. Anyway, let's get down to.
But I'll tell you what. वो जो last 2 overs जहाँ पे धोनी और I guess Manoj Tiwari.
they मतलब
एक ऐसा feeling आ रहा था being a Mumbai Indian fan कि this should not get into their heads कि like हम लोग उनको 130 पे रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते थे, वो 160 बना गए. You know, just come out, play the natural game, play 160 या 160 बनाना is not a big deal in.
वैसे ही खेल रहे थे ना सिमंस
Yeah.
एंड पार्थिव पटेल.
Yeah.
That's how they were. But as they say, एक ओपनिंग की जरूरत है. And you normally don't see Mumbai में one failing after the other. It doesn't happen often. And when the match finished, I heard a very interesting stat from Ravi Shastri. After CSK, it is only Pune that has beaten Mumbai Indians in a season 3 times.
Okay.
No other team has done it. Not KKR, not RCB, not RR.
No, yeah.
किसी ने भी नहीं किया. CSK in 2012 or 13 and now Pune. Can you imagine? 3 बार. So,
yeah, I know. It's pretty disappointing. But कभी-कभी है ना मेरे को ये फॉर्मेट पे भी थोड़ा सा डाउट आता है because see you have given 14 matches in the league. The one who tops the table should win it. Okay. अभी one bad day with Mumbai Indians.
That is yeah.
Now RPS is playing very beautifully. They have gone to finals.
हारा तो सब
What
खत्म.
if they have a bad day in the finals?
Everything is over. Yeah, I also agree. It should be like the EPL, where they say, okay, अगर तुम top हो. But Nikhil, what we have to understand is it's a 6 or 8 month league. It is a 2-month IPL.
Yeah, so what happened?
So 14 matches का consistency you can't see in 2 months. You have to see in 6 to 8 months. So that's where I just feel, okay, you can argue about it. And the counter is, it's not a lengthy league. So it is fair to everybody. This is how it has been for 5-6 years now. So I think teams have to start accepting reality that it applies to everybody. यार ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ हमको है. But the good part is Mumbai have one more shot, boss.
Yes.
And I genuinely want SRH to smash KKR today. And I know there are a few KKR fans listening to our podcast. They will be very upset. But this is what I hope to see Mumbai playing SRH.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Chalo, on
So
that
one more
note-
thing. So now I want everybody to go back to the Pune preview that we did before the IPL. It will be there in our list. If you click and if you see midway through the podcast, I had mentioned about how Pune should use Manoj Tiwari as their trump card and how he will reflect the same success that he accomplished with KKR. I made that point and nobody else, किसी ने बनाना. I'm so happy, so proud कि he's.
But then he was not in our team. क्यों?
कैसे लेता दोस्त? रहाने, त्रिपाठी, सिमंस, रोहित शर्मा, इन सबको छोड़ के मैं कैसे लेता उसको? तो अगर देखो क्या होता है, अगर आज युवराज बैटिंग कर ले तो आप मुझसे ये थोड़ी पूछोगे कि युवराज क्यों नहीं लिया. अभी शिखर धवन है, गौतम गंभीर है, लिन है, डेविड वार्नर है, इन सबके ऊपर मैं युवराज कैसे लूं? You understand the logic?
No, I understand. देखो Washington Sundar का I understand. See, we didn't had a great day yesterday with respect to fantasy cricket, but I can understand about Washington Sundar क्योंकि उसको पूरा कोटा नहीं मिलता था. He used to pick that one wicket. For one wicket, would you go for Washington Sundar? I don't know. So it was a very big gamble. But Manoj Tiwari, I wanted because I'll tell you what. See, I have seen your Pune team.
Yeah.
Manoj Tiwari was an integral part of your Pune fantasy cricket team.
Yes.
He is almost equivalent to Manish Pandey. जो तुम हर वक्त KKR के मैच में लेते
बिल्कुल एंड ऑलवेज मनीष हैज प्रूव्ड मी राइट. ऑलवेज इसीलिए मैंने वो पॉइंट बोला था व्हेन KKR वन दैट मेडन ट्रॉफी, these two, Manish Pandey and Manoj Tiwari were their trump cards and how they used him. Good that Pune ने भी सेम यूज किया. लेकिन मेरे को एक बात बताओ, अगर मैं तिवारी लेता तो किसको ड्रॉप करता?
Yeah, that becomes a
किसको
question.
ड्रॉप करता? रहाने तो लोग बोलते रहाने ओपन कर. एंड आई अगेन सो व्हेन सृजल वाज डूइंग द पॉडकास्ट यस्टरडे, ही आस्क्ड मी रहाने तो फ्लॉप कर रहा है. एंड आई एक्सप्लेन कि वो मुंबई में खेलता है और उसके खुद के घर में खेल रहा है वो. एंड हाउ इन दैट लीग मैच आल्सो व्हेन मुंबई लॉस्ट टू पुणे, he scored 40.
Yeah.
And it was a defining 40. And कल भी 50 मारा. So रहाने is that big match player. उसको लोग किसको मैं ड्रॉप करता है?
So okay. चलो 10 मिनट हो गए. We are not touched on today's match.
लोग नाराज हो जाएंगे.
So Hyderabad plays KKR in the eliminator. I just want to read out the overview section that we did on our article, which is up on our website, thefangarage.com. Now it says Chris Wokes won't be playing this game as he has joined the England camp. Also, there is still doubt on Yuvraj Singh participation for this eliminator. Is he injured?
वो जो फिंगर में लगा था ना उसको चोट कैच पकड़ने का टाइम. So he missed the last game and still there is doubt about his fitness. As we speak, he is going through the fitness test. पास होगा नहीं होगा हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, हमको पता नहीं है. हम रिस्क ही नहीं लेंगे.
Okay. If Coulter-Nile is declared fit,
Coulter-Nile is highly unlikely to play Nikhil.
Okay.
Highly unlikely.
Because of the injury.
Because of the injury.
Yeah, he is likely to play ahead of Bolt if he is declared fit.
Yes.
And we also expect SRH to bring back Kane Williamson in place of Nabi. Why
I
would they do that?
strongly feel, देखो, एक है SRH is overly reliant on David Warner. At the end of the day, Shikhar Dhawan today is number 2 in the IPL run getters list for this season. One is David Warner.
Yeah.
But if you see, one man, he's their backbone. एक आदमी है उनका pillar. Why I say this? Yuvraj is very mercurial. You never know what to expect from him. Then there are 2-3 inexperienced guys in Deepak Hooda. Vijay Shankar played very well, I understand, but he also lacks experience. Naman Oja doesn't contribute at all with the bat, okay? So Henriquez is the only option. So middle order looks so fragile. There is no depth. You need somebody as classy as Kane Williamson. Why? Because if Warner goes, there is stability. And if Yuvraj doesn't play, you are already 2 batsmen short in my opinion. That's what happened in that last game. वो तो शंकर ने खेल लिया, वो चमत्कार था. One more reason why Nabi shouldn't play in my opinion is SRH's weakness is not their bowling.
Yeah.
Deepak Hooda bowls, Vipul Sharma bowls, Rashid is bowling, Siddharth is bowling very well. That guy Mohammad Siraj picked up 3 wickets last match. Ashish Nehra is not fit today, he's out of the IPL. And they have Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Yeah.
Why do you need Mohammad Nabi? And Mohammad Nabi to batting bhi nahi kar raha.
Yeah.
So this is why I firmly believe Kane Williamson should play.
Okay. So, talking about Naman Oja, he's in our team. You said he is not contributing anything.
So Naman Oja is 8 points. Robin Uthappa is 9.5 points. Okay. Robin Uthappa, after that good run, after the injury, flop shuru ho gaya. 1, 2, 3 is Naren, Kristlin, गौतम गंभीर. उसके बाद आता है रॉबिन उथप्पा. मैंने तीनों को ले लिया है. अब रॉबिन के लिए मेरे पास बजट भी नहीं है, जगह भी नहीं है. बिकॉज आई हैव टू पिक धवन, आई हैव टू पिक हेनरिकेज, आई हैव टू पिक वार्नर. सब बड़े बड़े दिग्गज है. एंड इफ यू सी थोड़ा बजट की वजह से ना बॉलिंग में थोड़ा काटकुट हुआ है.
मैं अभी I'll be coming to that. So Naman Oja is our wicket keeper. Looking at the batting lineup, we have Chris Lynn, who is our vice captain, David Warner, who is our captain, Gautam Gambhir, Shikhar Dhawan. In all-rounders category, we have Moses Henriquez, Sunil Narine, Colin de Grandhomme.
कॉलिन डी ग्रैंडहोम इज शेयर जबरदस्ती. 2 ओवर डालता है, नंबर 6 पे बैटिंग करता है. लास्ट मैच में 2 ओवर डाला, 1 विकेट भी लिया और 25 भी मारा. उसके पहले मैच में भी उसने सेम कुछ सिमिलर प्रदर्शन किया था, इसके लिए उसको लिया. एंड ही श्योर टू प्ले बिकॉज अगर गौतम गंभीर एंड केकेआर डिडंट प्ले शाकिब फॉर 10 मैचेस, शाकिब नाराज होकर चला ही गया. अभी इंग्लैंड चला गया. वो बोला तुम कॉलिन को ही खिलाओ करके. सो ही इज गोइंग टू प्ले एंड दे आर शॉर्ट ऑफ फॉरेनर्स ना अभी तो, बिकॉज पीपल आर गेटिंग इंजर्ड, सो ही विल प्ले.
ओके. एंड द बॉलिंग लाइनअप वेयर देयर इज अ सरप्राइज. We have Siddharth Kaul, Rashid Khan and Kuldeep Yadav.
Umesh Yadav is 9, Kuldeep Yadav is 8.
Bhuvneshwar
Kumar is 9. Siraj is 8. Now if I pick Siraj ahead of Siddharth Kaul, public मेरे को गाली देगा, बोलेगा क्या सोच के आपने लिया. So उधर मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ करना ही पड़ा. I can't take Bhuvneshwar Kumar. If I take Bhuvneshwar Kumar, मेरा 1.5 कम हो जाता है. 0.5 पे मैं किसको लूँ? आई एम वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड देयर इज नो मनीष पांडे. पता है आपको? मेरे पास बजट नहीं है, मैं उसके बिना खेलता नहीं. बट देखो ना अभी सिचुएशन ऐसा है.
So why don't you sacrifice
किसको? आप बताओ.
in the all-rounders category.
किसमें करो? सुनील नरेन को उड़ा दो.
नहीं,
कम बताओ हेनरिकेज को.
नहीं, only keep सुनील नरेन.
So which means हेनरिकेज उड़ेगा ना?
हेनरिकेज एंड कॉलिन डी ग्रैंडहोम.
अरे लेकिन कॉलिन डी ग्रैंडहोम तो 8 में आ रहा है
और हेनरिकेज
9. So then what happens?
So हेनरिकेज गया, भुवनेश्वर आया और हेनरिकेज गया एंड मनीष पांडे आया.
Which means effectively we will have only 2 batsmen from SRH. That is David Warner and Shikhar Dhawan. If SRH is 20 for 2, I'm just saying. Which means बाकी जो runs आएंगे अपने टीम से कोई नहीं करेगा.
Yeah, that's true. But Moses Henriquez is not that kind of a batsman जो 50-60 मार ले.
मारता है ना यार. लास्ट मैच में भी मारा, उसके पहले भी मारा. है तो रेगुलर खेल रहा है. 30-40 और 1-2 ओवर डालता है, गलती से विकेट मिल लिया. See, it's all about creating a balanced team also.
Manish Pandey is 8.5?
No, Manish Pandey is 9 or 9.5. अभी तो स्टेक बढ़ चुका है उसका. 8.5 जमाना चला गया. So okay, for all you listening, the prices go up and down. I'm sure you must have also noticed, because of which हमको दिक्कत होती है टीम बनाने में.
Okay.
So yes, that is the only. Okay, if I drop Henriquez, we'll have 9 points, which means we can pick Bhuvneshwar Kumar. If we pick Bhuvneshwar Kumar, we'll have to drop Siddharth Kaul. आप सहमत हो उससे?
No. Why we have to drop Siddharth?
So then you will play with 3 SRH bowlers.
Yeah.
Against KKR.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure that's the right move, because then 3. What if KKR finish 180 for 4? It's possible.
Okay.
हाँ, देन क्या होगा? देन अपने बॉलर्स को विकेट मिलेगा और उसमें सिराज लेके गया तो क्या करोगे आप विकेट?
Like last match.
Yeah, so these are the things you have to keep in mind before creating a team.
Okay. Captain is David Warner, that's for sure. Vice captain is Chris Lynn.
ऑप्शंस बहुत है. गंभीर भी रख सकते हो, सुनील नरेन भी रख सकते हो आप. शिखर धवन इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड चॉइस. बट लाइक आई सेड, अब नंबर्स देखो. हमने आउट ऑफ 14 मैचेस हो गए. 14 मैचेस में से हमने all 14 मैचेस वी केप्ट डेविड वार्नर एज कैप्टन, एंड 10 or 11 मैचेस ही हैज गिवन अस द रिजल्ट.
आई थिंक और 40 मैचेस हो गए तो भी हम वार्नर को ही कैप्टन रखेंगे. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, यू कैन कनेक्ट अस वाया ट्विटर TFG Fantasy 11 and Facebook as Fantasy Pandit. Our article is up on our website, thefangarage.com. कोई चेंजेस एक्सपेक्टेड है?
मुश्किल है. अनलेस कोई इंजरी आती है, हम कोई चेंज नहीं करेंगे.
Okay. You can listen to this podcast on Indusvox Media, SoundCloud, iTunes, Audio Boom, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till then, take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया, एक्सक्यूज मी.
बोलिए मैडम.
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑन कोर्स है, साइरस है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्वियर है, थिंग्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है, और द फैन गराज है. आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम. आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप. सब आपकी उंगलियों पे.